Bang!
Eventually have the thing.
Yeah, man, I do.
I hear me, I say, a sure shot. You will go all of the security then right, you say, you see it? You don't know. Special, you will go all of the people then right, you say, you see me? So watch this, we're going to take the food and cut. You know things go.
Yeah, man, I'm tired of them hungry days, man. As man, it's like we have go for the food.
What you mean, man, food have to eat?
Nobody no move. 1, 3, 4. 2 ackee and saltfish. 1 curry chicken. Big box too. Do it fast. Make sure fucking I too, you know. Come on, I'm ready.
Chicken and Things, located at Harvard Tree and Manor Park. Good food, liquor, and good friends.